Hey guys, so today I'm going to be starting my vlog. I haven't vlogged in a long time, so this is going to be a little weird for me. My boyfriend is also playing video games, so that's what you hear in the background. His loud ass videos. Oh, I didn't tell you guys, I didn't show you guys. I dyed my hair red, but it faded quite a bit. It's fading pretty quickly, but I did like a few days ago, and I don't know. It's like turning pink, but I'm fine with it being pink because I like pink hair. So yeah, I don't know. That's what happens when you haven't vlogged in a long time. So we're going to Florida tomorrow at like 6 o'clock, so that's fun. And I'm gonna be vlogging all of it. We're going for my birthday, and it's super exciting. I'm probably going to do like a short packing, getting ready, like just doing stuff vlog for this one, and then I'm gonna probably do day one tomorrow. Okay, so this is what I have packed so far. I have some pajama pants that I don't know if I'm gonna wear because it's probably gonna be hot. Some socks, shirt, another like a dress, a shirt, another like this like if it's cold pajamas. I have 2 films, and I'm bringing my instant camera. This is like makeup, and travel bag, and just I didn't even put this in here. It was just in here, but my ring. We're casting all extra. What the fuck? I can't begin this is gonna take so long, I feel like, but it's fine. I'll do it. I'll get through. Trying to look for my. Trying to look for. Yes, I found it. Yes. The last thing I really needed to find was my bottoms for my swim suit, and I found it. Yeah. Okay. Tired. Like I'm like fake. Well, maybe not fake tired, but I'm actually like tired, even though I slept all day today, and like well, 4 more hours till we have to leave to the I think it's like 12 now, so it's like 4 more hours till we have to leave to the airport, but I don't know. But anyway, yeah, I'll show you guys how much I've packed so far. Well, I'm almost done, but like how it looks right now, and talk to you later. Also, side note, this is what happened when I couldn't find that one piece of clothes I was looking for. I went crazy. So I'm almost done packing. Well, it's not even that I'm almost done packing. I think it's like I'm coming to the limit where I can't pack anymore, but just squeezing it all in.
Oh shit.
And yep, it's mostly clothes. Nope. Honestly, 99% clothes. Sorry that this wasn't as exciting of a packing travel get ready, but yeah. My boyfriend says he's gonna stop playing game an hour, 2 hours ago, and he's still playing.
Thank you. I got into actually.
Hey guys, so it is currently 4:10, and I am having super bad technical difficulties, which means I probably won't be able to put up my Vlogust videos in time, which kind of sucks, but honestly I'm just gonna take the L and be like, honestly, I will film it when I film. I will upload when I get back from my vacation and just not stress it, because both of our laptops that me and John have are micro SD, and they don't have what is it called, like the big SD ones, so I'm just gonna take the L. I'm going to end this vlog today for you guys, and I'm just gonna start the new one right now, but I will start the one for today. So bye.